everyone. I'm Dr. Devyani Puri, and I'm here to welcome Dr. Ritika. And she's the recent FMG result, I would say, warrior, and she scored 215. First of all, Ritika, welcome and congratulations from the whole team. And I just want to know, how are you feeling right now? What is this feeling that you're feeling, Abhi?
Thank you, ma'am. I'm really elated and I cannot, it's very unreal. I cannot believe that this has finally happened.
Yeah. So what were you doing when the result came, and what was your whole reaction, your family's reaction?
Ma'am, actually I went to my native place and
Okay.
as soon as the flight landed, I saw my phone. I turned off the airplane mode and I saw there were
Yeah.
five missed calls. And I was
Okay.
like, oh shit, the results is out. And
Yeah.
I downloaded the PDF and the whole flight was empty. And I
Yeah.
started searching my name, but it was not loading. And me and my mother, we were really anxious. But as soon as I typed my roll number, I saw my results and I started crying on the spot. I was so happy.
As
And
you're all very, 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 very proud, and 215 is a very great score. And I'm sure everybody who's listening, they all want to know that when did you start your preparation? What all did you do? Just whatever you want to say.
ma'am, during our first year, it was online. So my first
Okay.
year subjects were actually really weak for me. But
Okay.
after that, from the second year onwards, I had a fair idea of all the subjects. So
Okay.
as soon as I graduated in July, I came back to India in August and I started
Okay.
the cerebellum plan. And I
Okay.
stuck to whatever timetable was given by the cerebellum team.
So
I
you were a
gave,
mission subscriber. You were
yes,
the, okay.
yes. I gave all the ENDs. I attended all the live lectures. I did not miss any lecture. And I
Hmm.
also thoroughly reviewed. I gave
Hmm.
almost 15 to 16 GTs. And I
Hmm.
could see my progress really.
Hmm.
And there was a time when there were repeated lectures going on. I utilized that month to revise myself. So there were
Okay.
actually 3 to 4 revisions which I did, which really,
Hmm.
really helped me at the last. And
Hmm.
in the last month, I really pushed myself because I was a little demotivated
Hmm.
because I could not feel the confidence building up. But when I started revising again and again, it was really nice.
It was really nice. So, what were your main source of, I would say, notes, or like what is that material did you use? Did you just use like, there were some people who said ki they just did the quick revision wala notes. There were some people who said that they were following the whole custom module. So, what were you following for your preparation?
Ma'am, I just subscribed to the mission class. I used to
Okay.
attend the lecture and the PDFs that were given. I made handwritten notes and
Okay.
I solved the previous year questions, everything. And for
Hmm.
some topics which I felt were difficult, I also did the Q bank.
Acha,
And
the question mark. Okay.
for the topics which I felt that I cannot get it right,
Hmm.
I saw that particular topic from the main videos in the app itself.
Okay, so like the custom modules where the whole huge, videos and all, that is what
Yes,
you were
yes.
seeing. Okay, great. So did you prioritize any subjects? Because, if you have certain weak subjects, you tend to prioritize those, or sometimes if you don't like a subject, you just completely don't, read it. So were there any subjects for you that you prioritize or didn't prioritize?
Ma'am, like I said, my first year subjects were really weak. So for
Okay.
biochemistry, I started that first and I actually
Hmm.
did it quite a lot, like 5 to 6 times I did that subject. And in
Okay,
the exam, it went really well. I'm pretty sure all my questions were right. And for
great.
anatomy, I feared that subject the most.
Okay.
So till the last day, I was doing anatomy
So anatomy
repeatedly.
and biochemistry were two subjects that you really pushed yourself to do
Yeah.
because you felt that
And
they were good.
and my for you, ma'am, micro, it was really easy for me because of your notes. They were so colorful and they were so,
Yeah.
catchy to the eyes. I
Great.
had a picture image for all of them, so it was
Yeah, that
really.
that is extremely great. So, so you said you gave a lot of GTs, all the ENDs and everything. Great. So I just want to know that, during this whole preparation, obviously because itna time hai, so you must have gone through some, I would say, setbacks, or I would say you must be demotivated, or maybe some, a lot of people have family issues, something going on mentally. So did you face anything like that? And if yes, then how did you come out of it?
Ma'am, firstly, I would like to really thank my family because I know they will be seeing this. They were my support system. But
Hmm.
me, as a student, I was sometimes really underconfident because I
Hmm.
started doubting myself that whether I will be able to do it or not. Because there is a
Hmm.
lot of fear mongering in Instagram or wherever you see, they will say
Yeah.
that FMG is really tough and you will not be able
Hmm.
to get it in the first go. Like it's a norm. most of the seniors also, if you'll ask, they will be like, it's very tough, it's very tough. You need to at least take 2 tries to finish it. But
Hmm.
I made sure that I will give my 100%, and then whatever is the result, that will be it. And during the last, like, the exam was in January. So in
Hmm.
December, I was really, I don't know why, what happened. Most of the students were really, feeling demotivated, and we were like, it's about to finish, but we did not get that boost of confidence. But all
Hmm.
of us really kept pushing, and it came through.
Great. So what are your future plans now? And now that the result is out, now that you're finally at a, mental peace space. So
Hmm.
what are your plans now?
Ma'am, my sister is about to get married, so
Oh, congratulations.
I'm really gonna prepare for it, do all the
Okay.
dance set and everything. And after
Hmm.
that, during my internship, I'm planning to join Cerebellum again for the NEET PG
Okay.
program.
So we'll be welcoming you again with NEET PG and INSCT preparation. That's great. So, as your juniors are going to be listening to this, I'm sure they also want to know how to crack this exam. And if you have anything or any tips or something, any advice that you want to give to them, maybe like an exam day strategy, like, on the exam, what to do, like 3 months before the exam, what to do, if you have anything in mind.
Ma'am, for freshers, I would just say that start studying from day one, because we
Mm.
should not waste any day, even if it is med school. We should enjoy it, but at least we should have an idea about all the subjects.
Hmm.
Because
Hmm.
there is a myth of FMG that we need to break, that we don't study. We really
Yeah.
do study.
Okay. No, definitely. Yes, for sure.
And during the like the last 6 months, you really need to push hard. And for
Hmm.
all, I to everybody, I would like to recommend Cerebellum, really, because
Hmm.
your plans are so well curated for all of us, not just me, but everybody. For the brightest to the brightest student or the weakest student, everybody needs to follow this plan. It's really good for all of them. And on the exam day, ma'am, I would just like to say that we need to believe in ourselves, because
Hmm.
once the exam is over, you will feel like maybe you've done really well or you've done the worst. But and
Hmm.
we see all the recalls, but we are not sure of whether it is correct or not, or what we have answered. We keep forgetting also.
Yeah, yeah, true.
Because when I came out of the exam, I was, after the first paper, I was really elated that wow, my paper really went well, I will pass. But after the second paper, I saw everybody around me, and I was like, oh my god, what happened?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll pass,
And
or
I
maybe
heard that the second one was a little tougher than
yes,
the
because
first
it
one.
was really lengthy questions. But
Hmm.
after that, I came, and then I joined the Cerebellum Recall also. I
Hmm.
got some confidence, but I knew I'll pass, but I did not
Hmm.
expect this marks really.
No, no, but we are so very, very proud of you, and we are, waiting for you to come and join back so that we can, have that moment again of teaching you for the INSED and NEET preparation.
Yes,
And anything else you want to say from your side? I think I'm just very, very proud of you and very happy for you. And I'm all the congratulations to your sister for getting married also.
thank you,
So
ma'am.
yeah,
No, ma'am, I'm really, really happy, and I'm so honored I got to
no,
speak to you.
no,
And
no,
I
nothing to do.
hope I can meet you in Cerebellum.
Yes, please. I was about to say, please do come at the Cerebellum event. I'll be very, very happy to receive all of you.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
thank you from my side and take care and have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you.